Hi guys, my name is Rishabh. Today's date is 8th of 9th of November 2022. So today we are going to learn what is the functional programming and the object-oriented programming difference. So functional programming is specially called use the functions. When we are going to use the functions in that, we can call it the declarative type of the programming also. And because it is also used the lambda expression, it is focused on the way of programming rather than it is focused on what to solve rather than not what how to solve. In the object oriented programming we focused on how to solve approach. That's why there is the specific type of structure we use, that is the classes structure. And here in the functional programming language there are we can use the various type of functions. It is the basically a paradigm of the programming, whether to use the various type of functions and methods for getting the values. So first, this functional programming approach we uses the functions for writing our programs, and in the object oriented programming language we use the classes concept. Here we use the classes and various classes and object. After that, this functional programming we get the value from the functions. And in the object oriented programming language, for using the methods of these classes, we have to create an instance of that class for using that classes. And object oriented programming language, in the function programming language, it will support the parallel execution. It supports the parallel execution of the program. And in the object oriented programming language, it will not support the parallel programming approach. We can call the access specifier. So access specifier like public, private and protected, that is not used in this functional programming language. Rather than in the object oriented programming language, we majorly use this access specifier to define the uses of this exact methods or the class. Means by the public can access all over the classes in the package. Private will be uses within the class, and protected will be used within this method. And after that there are the iterator concept. So iterator concept, it is not very popular, or it is not used like normal loops in this functional programming, because it used the recursion for the iteration. There use the recursions type of methods, means the method called again itself. By the help of that, it will achieve this concept of iteration. And in this object oriented programming language, it is used the iterator like a for loop for iteration all over the element. And the security concern in the functional programming language, there is no security provided here. And in the object oriented programming, there is the abstract classes is there, so that we can achieve the securities. And in the functional programming language, there is the we can call this concept of lambda expressions is there. So because of that concept, we can easy to get the value from the method. Means majorly lambda expression is used in the functional programming language. And that is all about of this difference of functional programming and object oriented programming. Thank you so much.